Hey people of the internet, it's me again, Dominic. Today without a webcam because I recorded this video under special conditions. Nothing to worry about. Today I go through some pristine Corona stories from last week. All original posts are linked down in the description, so if you want to acquire further details, please check them out. Now, let's get started. Joseph Greenlee decided to go into nature and took us with him.
First time in a long time. So this isn't just like out to the shops or to somewhere we can walk to. We're going out. We're actually going for a drive for somewhere that's about 45-minute drive away called Bamford Edge. Follow the social distancing rules. We're not going to go near anyone. I'm worried because everyone else might have the same idea and they're going to go to the same places. Oh well. It is what it is, but if it protects me, it protects other people, I'll wear it. So we've made it, and every single lay-by and every single car park on the way here, because we drove through a valley, was full of people. And you tell yourself, oh, the place I'm going to is not going to be that busy. The place I'm going to is not going to be that busy. And then it is. I don't really need the face mask, if I'm honest, because there's no one near us.
As on many places around the globe, nature is coming back to Los Angeles. I got something special, especially for people near Cologne. We get a new community-made scavenger hunt through the city. Just download our app, Marble AR, go to Roncalli Platz and wow. Thank you for watching. Please share if you enjoyed, like if you liked, and comment if you got something to say. Check out Corostories.com for a ton of stories created by more than 400 users just for you. Have a great day and stay healthy.